Navigating the stock market can be easy. In fact, we've helped over 35,000 traders using VantagePoint's generative artificial intelligence to predict market movements and trend reversals 1 to 3 days in advance. And we're doing this with up to 87.4% proven accuracy. Now, most companies these days who claim to have AI, they don't have any real AI experience, but they see AI as a great marketing concept and a way to sell products to traders. So now all of a sudden, you've got all these AI experts out there. Well, the difference is here at VantagePoint, we've been perfecting artificial intelligence since the late 1980s. In fact, we've been awarded 2 patents on our technology. The software's been used by traders in the real world, in the real markets, since 1991. In fact, my father, the real pioneer of artificial intelligence for traders, has been invited on CNBC television back in 1994, talking about it and sharing with the world his discoveries and the technologies that he developed for traders just like you. Now, here's a couple of charts I want to share with you because this is exactly what individual traders like yourself are doing and how VantagePoint is giving them a tremendous edge using the artificial intelligence technology. Pretty impressive, right? Now, to be clear, your results are going to differ. Every trader has individual aspects to their trading, number of factors, how frequently they trade, the size of their trading account, and several other factors. But at the end of the day, using VantagePoint's artificial intelligence to help you trade comes down to 3 basic steps. Number 1, using VantagePoint's predictive indicators to consistently forecast trends on your favorite assets, whether that's for stocks, ETFs, Forex, futures, crypto, options, any of those areas, you can be more successful by benefiting from the edge that our VantagePoint artificial intelligence will provide you. Number 2, checking the global intermarket analysis. This is something we have a patent on, and I just want to take a moment to explain what that means. Intermarket analysis really means analyzing relationships between other markets and how they can affect the stocks or the markets that you're trading. This is critical. If you're not doing it, you're missing something that is going to affect your trading, and it can affect you in a positive way if you're doing intermarket analysis, or it can affect you in a negative way if you're not. We make this possible for you. The other thing that's important is that this is going to help you not only find new trading opportunities, but manage existing positions that you're in. This is critical. And then number 3, checking the predictive price range for the next day. In addition to forecasting the trend direction, the artificial intelligence in VantagePoint is also going to tell you what the next day's trading range is going to be. This gives you a lot of insight for managing positions, setting stops, picking entries, picking exits, really fine-tuning and managing your trades. VantagePoint's the ultimate weapon for traders, and tens of thousands of traders worldwide are using this technology to find the right trades at the right time. Now, I want to tell you, we have a free live training that goes into this in greater detail. You're going to learn so much, and there's no cost. It's completely free to attend. Just tap the link below and register. Come, get a full session for free and learn about how you can start forecasting market moves days in advance with up to 87.4% proven accuracy using patented technology. Get registered for the class. They do fill up, and it's 100% free. There are no replays because all of this is time sensitive. It's actually live, and we'll be looking at actual live market conditions. So mark your calendar, make sure you're there, and I can't wait to see you in the class.